Interglobal Navigation Limited, doing business as Indigo, is an Indian low-cost airline headquartered in Gurgaon, Haryana, India. It is the largest airline in India by passengers carried and fleet size with 6.6% domestic market shares of May 2024. It is the largest individual Asian airline and one of the largest in the world in terms of passengers carried, with more than 100 million passengers carried in 2023. As of July 2024, India operates over 2,000 daily flights to 122 destinations, 88 domestic and 34 international, with a fleet of over 360 aircrafts. It has its primary hub at Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Indigo was founded in 2006 as a private company by Rahul Bhatia of Intel Global Enterprises and Rakesh Ganjwal, a United States-based expertise Indian. Interglobal had a 51.12% stake in Indigo and 47.88% was held by Ganjwal's Virginia-based company, Cilium Investment. Indigo placed a firm order for 100 Airbus A320-200 aircrafts in June 2005, with plans to begin operate in mid 2006. Indigo took delivery of its first aircraft on 28 July 2006, nearly a year after placing the order. It commenced operations on 4th August 2006 with a service from New Delhi to Imphal via Guwahati. By the end of 2006, the airline had 6 aircrafts and 9 more were acquired in 2007. In December 2010, Indigo replaced state-run carrier Air India as the third largest airline in India, behind Kingfisher Airlines and Jet Airways, with a passenger market share of 17.3%. In 2011, Indigo placed an order for 180 Airbuses A320 aircraft in a deal worth $15 billion in January 2011. After completing 5 years of operation, the airline was permitted to launch international flights. In December 2011, the DGCA expressed reservations that had a rapid expansion could impact passenger safety. In January 2023, the airline became the first Indian airline to have a fleet size of more than 300 aircrafts in February 2023. The airline inducted the first wide-body aircraft, a Boeing 777-300ER, to its fleet. In January 2023, the airline placed an order for 500 Airbuses A320neo family aircraft, making it the largest aircraft order in commercial aviation history. As of November 2023, Indigo had a 6.8% domestic market share. In December 2023, Indigo became the first Indian airline to have ferried more than 100 million passengers in a calendar year. Indigo became one of the largest fast-growing low-cost carrier in the world and the largest airline in India. The success of Indigo has been attributed to its unique business model, which reduces cost. The airline operates a single type of aircraft, Airbus A320, in similar seating configuration, which simplifies crew training and maintenance. The airline strict bulk deals with Airbus, reducing unit cost. The airline targets a quick turnaround time of 20 minutes to get the aircraft ready for the next flight, ensuring planes fly about 12 hours every day. Employee shares multiple roles with the check-in staff doubling a baggage handlers. In July 2023, Indian Navigation Watchdog Directorate General of Civil Aviation imposed a 30 lakhs fine on Indigo for certain systematic definitions concerning documentation preparation to operations, training, and engineering procedures. As of July 2024, Indigo operates more than 2,000 daily flights to 122 destinations, 88 in India and 34 abroad. Its main base is located at Delhi, with additional bases at Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Kochi. In 2011 January, Indigo received a license to operate international flights, often completing 5 years of operation. Indigo's first international service was launched between New Delhi and Dubai on 1st September 2011.